Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete all the posts from your Facebook account by using PC, laptop or computer. So let's begin. Before that, please subscribe our channel and turn on the notification so that you can know about our latest update. So let's see. First of all, open your Facebook account. Then you go to setting or you just go to in your profile, tap on it. When you tap on it, you'll see three dots on the right side. Tap there. There you will find activity log. Tap there. From there, you can see your post. So these are the posts which I have recently posted and I want to delete for now, for showing you how you can delete all your posts. Before that, you need to select the date. For example, you need to select specific year or you can just select overall. For now, let's select 2020 and you have to select the month 1, December. Now it will only show the post of December 2020. There's no post on my FB, but you might have the post, so you can easily delete from the specific date as well. For now, let's select all. Save change. These are the posts which we have recently posted on our Facebook page, and I am going to show you how you can clear or how you can permanently delete these posts with a very quick steps. For that, just you click on all, then it will automatically select all of your posts and you just tap on trash. After tapping on trash, it will permanently delete your post. But if you don't want to delete your post permanently, just click this one, archive. It will just make your post temporary delete. It won't be shown to the people, but you can easily view them by clicking on archive and view them as per your requirement. For now, I'll be showing you one of the basic one for deleting. Let's see this. I want to delete this post, so I have selected here move to trash and click on move to trash. So this is how you can easily move your posts to the trash and permanently delete them with a quick and simple step. Hope this video helped you a lot. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Guys, do like, share, subscribe and comment in the comment box for further and new videos. Thank you.